Kei aku nui, ki aku rahi. Tēnā tātou katoa. Kia ora. Our school is set in the rural region of Tararua, but close to some large cities which offer us a fantastic range of sporting, shopping and cultural opportunities.
Everyone new to the school is welcomed at our marae, and then you become part of our family. We are here to tell you a little more about what Tararua College can offer you. We really enjoy the friendly environment we have here at Tararua College.
Us as the staff support and challenge our learners at the same time while trying to encourage them to do their best.
Being a smaller school, we have a family environment where students of all ages work, interact and develop together.
We start our day with mentor classes, where we meet with our mentor teachers to discuss our learning plans and discuss activities within the college.
Our mentor classes have different year levels in them, which is really good because the senior students can support the juniors. We have 5 periods a day, with the school starting at 9 o'clock and finishing at 3 p.m. Most classes are 1 hour long.
As well as all the usual academic subjects, we have a real focus on hands-on learning. Let's take a minute to look at some.
We excel in performing and visual arts at the school, with students working towards our annual productions and exhibitions. We have a great technology centre where students can do everything from food technology to automotive studies.
Sports is a major and exciting part of our college. We get to play lots of inter-school competitions, and our students perform at both regional and national levels. The college has its own 25-acre teaching farm, where students learn about animal care and farm practices. We work closely with tertiary organisations to develop a real understanding of rural life.
While we enjoy the rural life, we have all the national and global connections. Our peer mentoring system at Tararua College supports all our students to feel at home and make connections in the college. Technology devices are an integral part of how we learn at Tararua College, and we use Chromebooks in many of our classes. The friendly support we get from our teachers allows us to achieve strong academic results and makes learning at the college enjoyable. At Tararua College, we get together once a week to celebrate and share our successes. Our assemblies are run by our student leaders. There are many leadership roles for students in the college, and being a smaller school, we have the chance to make a real difference to what happens for all our students. Being in a rural environment, our students come from a wide area. While some walk to school, many others enjoy travelling on the school bus to and from the college. We really enjoy Tararua College and look forward to seeing you at our school.
Whatever choice you make, we wish you success on your pathway.
Ka kite anō.